So if you have oily skin and you haven't tried this mixture out, tell me why. Why haven't you?
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
Hello honeys, and welcome to today's video. So today is going to be me trying out a toner for the next 7 days. Basically, if you have been following my channel for a while now, you know that I've been using rice water. I swore on rice water. Basically, I'm human and I stopped. I had my reasons why I stopped, and I made a video telling you why I stopped using rice water. And if you haven't checked that out yet, sis, you can always check that out here. I'm just going to link it here and also down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you know when I post a video. So today I'm going to be trying a toner for 7 days. Basically, I came to show you my face, how I always end up oily and greasy, you know, like all that bad stuff. This is not what I want to be looking like every day of my life, because generally I'm always greased out like this and I really do not like this. I'm going to be using a mixture of rose water and apple cider vinegar for 1 week to see if it's going to use my oil production, cure my acne that has been coming out of my face, and also my oiliness, reduce the scars a little bit, close my pores. I have pores at this side of my face and it's very what I do not like to see. So basically right now I'm just going to show you how to make the rose water apple cider vinegar toner I'm going to be using on my face. To make the toner, you'll be needing rose water, apple cider vinegar, an empty bottle to store the toner, and a measuring cup and a spoon. Basically, I'm going to be using 10 parts of rose water to 1 part of apple cider vinegar. So I'm pouring 125 ml of rose water to 12.5 ml of apple cider vinegar. Basically, this mixture is known to balance the pH of the skin, soothe acne and acne scars, hydrate and refresh the skin, reduce excess oil production, soothe skin conditions like porosity and eczema, and also is known to soothe sunburn. All this in one toner. Let's go. So guys, basically I'm done getting ready. I had my bath, I packed my hair for the night, and right now I'm just gonna towel dry my face, pat dry. Do not ever rub your face though. So basically guys, this is my face on day 1, freshly washed, no makeup on. There's a pimple here, this here, another pimple is growing here. This side is just having some spots that I do not understand. They're not really problems, but it's like weird black spots that I just don't understand, like really tiny moles or something. Basically guys, I already showed you how to make the rose water and the apple cider vinegar toner, and this is how it looks like. I'm about to apply it on my face. So basically, you do not need to store this in the fridge. That's the good thing about this mixture. It's not like rice water or some other natural toners that you have to store in the fridge. And the shelf life is actually 21 to 30 days. So you can just make a batch for a month. But this is day 1 face with the pimple, hyperpigmentation, the spots around here, pimples here, and black spots here, black dot. I don't know what that's called in moles, but you used to be there before. So I'm gonna see you soon. This is day 2 and this is how my face is looking like. There's really no difference. The only thing I noticed was that my oil production throughout the day wasn't as much as it usually is. So it's an improvement from the first day. I'm basically just going to apply it again and go to bed. I've had my bath, even though I don't know why I wore this shirt. But I've had my bath and I'm going to just pack my hair up and everything. So let me just apply this bad boy to my face. So I'm gonna see you on day 4, because I really feel like this is going to happen on day 3. So day 4. So guys, today is day 4 of me applying the rose water and the apple cider vinegar mixture on my face. And this is how my face is looking like today. Basically my face feels more calmer, same less oil production. My face looks a little bit more like toned and lighter than before. My spots, I wouldn't say they are fading out that much, but my pigmentation is reducing. It's not as bold as before, but it's still there though. So basically I'm gonna apply it to my face real quick. So today is day 7 of using the rose water and the apple cider vinegar on my face, and this is how my face is looking. I'm going to insert a side by side of day 1 when I started this. The main reason why I'm happy is that I just came back from my daily run, and I just started my hair though. This is not how I went out anyways, but I just came back from my daily run, and this is how oily my face ended up throughout the day. Like, it's not even looking like oil, it's looking like more like a subtle glow. Can you see? Like, I was actually worried that it was not working because I was not really seeing so much of a difference, but I still have the pimple that is here. Like, but basically, let me not lie, I've been touching the pimple a lot, but I still have it here. What else? This one that is here is just like it's going, it's like a scar now. It's not so much, it was there on the first day, but it's like a scar now. My pores have been shut close. What else? I have this glow. I'm not oiling out as usual again. It's just like it's more of a glow than oiliness. And what I like about it the most is that I didn't leave my face as dry. Most things that are recommended for oily skin tend to dry my skin after I apply for first, second day. I just start getting dryness instead of actually combating the oily skin. Basically, let me go to my pros and cons I usually do. So let me start with my pro. Now, what I liked about it. Basically, I love the smell because the rose water was really overpowering than the apple cider vinegar. I really didn't smell the apple cider vinegar so much. 2, it gave me shine, it gave me glow, not shine, it gave me glow. 3 is that my face became calm. I don't know. I feel like if you could, like all these things I'm saying, you should be able to see on my face. Then I think that should be all of the pros. Then the con is that for the fading of the dark spots, I feel like it's not that fast. Because my spots are still there, but they are not like so drawn away. But I know that fading of spots is not like immediate, it's just like gradual process and all that. What I like about it again is that I think that's all. I can't find anything that I don't like about it. This is it, it's still remaining. I'm still going to keep on using it. I think this is actually going to be a staple in my regimen, and it's quite affordable. Yeah, I thought to add it that it's quite affordable. Is it affordable? Okay. About the price and everything, I had the ingredients already at home. Rose water, I got my rose water for like 1,000 naira. Then for the apple cider vinegar, I always have apple cider vinegar at home. Like, we always have, it's a staple in my house. We always have apple cider vinegar. But we use it for different things, so to me that's not a cost implicated area, and I actually use very little of it. I forgot to add that it made my face soft also. Like, my face was soft and it's so smooth like than before. So this is my skin. This is how it looks like. I keep on looking somewhere else, but this is it. So basically, I'm just going to go wash my face and do my normal routine and apply my new baby, my new addition to my regimen. This is it. This is it. This is me. I am she. I am it. So basically, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you probably try rose water and apple cider vinegar if you have oily skin like me. I recommend you try this out if you can. Rose water and apple cider vinegar. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you know when I post a video. I'm also going to be trying out some other face masks, natural face masks. I'm also going to come here. I know I'm always going to show you. I'm always going to come with the authentic results. I feel like I should add that to my channel. But anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.